This is fit for a 2015 through 2019 and likely beyond Chevrolet Tahoe with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections on the inner edges. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars in black with integrated feet. This is part number 7604B. It connects to the flush side rails using Thule's Fit Kit, part number KIT 4041. This includes the rubber contoured bases and the rubberized metal brackets and fasteners to connect to the fixed points. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. There is an optional connection point at the rear of the flush side rails for 52-inch crossbar spacing. Maximum carrying capacity is 150 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.